You have the hiccups? Good morning. Good morning. You have the hiccups? Yeah? And then? Do you want to go somewhere this morning? Do you want to go somewhere? Where do you want to go? You do? What you doing looking at my phone? You won't be looking at my phone. You want to do push push? Okay, push push.